did these guys see this thing? They were dreaming, yes, Shema. He has hopes.
Noma he meant lapana by the robot.
But they're robots, man. I think they're coming, or maybe bazujigage if they've seen it. Because I haven't seen that. I wanna, it's working. Viva Pentilana, viva, viva. Girls must have a Pentilana for problem solving. Oh, viva, viva, viva Pentilana. Oh, girls must always have their Pentilana. Pentilana is good for problems. It solves problems. Hey, Pentilana. It solves problems. Pentilana. We're Penty. I'm joking. Okay. Oh, there it is.
What?
Oh no!
Oh my God.
That's so cool!
It is!
Guys, I'm on a billboard!
That is so cool.
Oh.
Shame, hater.
I have made it in life!
You have made it.
I made it to the homecoming billboard!
Man.
Namhlanje so bese singena kanje. Isho njalo ingoma.
So ngena ka song.
Songena so. Unjani bhuti? Ngiyaphila. Sizokushiya la equipment, drum kits, keyboard, and then we're gonna come back. Hello baby! Ngiyaphila ma. So phuma ngasisibuya sesigezile. Welcome to Mandeni. No? Yeah. I was like a very active child then. I wanted to try everything, do everything. Everything nje around me, bengifuna ukuyizama. So ngisesekhala mfundo, I'll try and show you guys my school. Sagijima. Ngawina esikoleni. Safika la, yabona le ground le. Angazi kwakubani meters okumele siwenze la. Hey, zangishinga nzabantu. You know, Caster Semenyo, but I was the one at the back. Okay. With my iPhone. Let me press my phone, which I'm very proud of owning. Yeah, Sego writing. So, Untandozi is requesting that we don't shoot her hair and her makeup sets because it's not organized.
It's a mess.
So you're gonna deal with the face, he's saying I shouldn't worry about you. That's like at least to valley side, so it's fine. Hi bo, when was winning?
Ngize nje ekuseni nkosana besho ukuthi ena ushonile namhlanje ekuseni ngicine nje ukuze bekhuluma ukuthi ena wayeshawe stroke. So nje ngasema ukuthi uzoba right.
After the album abayikhiphe yona.
So manje sekumele sivoteke.
Ay,
vele bengisavotela yena.
I know. Animnandi le ngoma hayi ukuthi sesizovotela i-situation.
Vele bengisavotela yena. Futhi abanje nasengibhala nokuthi ngizotshontsha amafoni abantu. Ngithi ongfonisa kanti ngifuna ukuvotela ama-pitch. I'm gonna do that.
So ufuna ukuvotela i-Big Nas.
Yes.
I used to work with them actually kwaku 2000 and but wami escape ukhala amatekete.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's where we met, like ukwazana, because throughout the years like from 2014 besihlangana nje mhlambe ukuthi I'm going to studio Afro or when it's FDR or any other events, because it's as promoter yabo khona like just students ngisabamba amatoho khona, and I also wanted to be in the label, so I was just trying to learn because umpumi wayejwayele ukwenza vele promotions. So yeah, so after Vintage Gang was blooming yabo, so they all knew ukuthi khona ugogo because they called me ugogo. Khona ugogo and uphethe lezi impahla zakudala. Yabo. I say, Tira, okay, you can do wardrobe. Ke ngoba ngase ngimtshela ukuthi can I come through? I have stuff, I have clothes, nan. So mangifika, yabona Shimora, happy man. Yabo later le big dad uyena like uba pitch uyena. So like he would be like, hey, shala ma shirts la. The excitement in Kippa. One, I was ashamed ukuthi like I was a bit embarrassed because they top artists keep it vintage impahla zakudala
like somewhere
and they knew they knew because I was stuff for 10 rand 5 rand yabo.